If you're looking at a car with 200,000 kilometers on it, the maintenance costs will depend on the make, model, and how well it has been maintained. Some cars are reliable even after 200,000 kilometers, while others may have expensive repairs coming up. Things to check before buying: service history. Regular maintenance means fewer surprises. Timing belt. Chain, if it hasn't been changed, it could be a costly repair. Transmission and engine condition. Make sure there are no leaks or strange noises. Suspension and brakes. Worn-out parts can be expensive to replace. Reliable brands at 200,000 kilometers. Toyota Corolla, Camry, Hilux, Honda Civic, Accord CR-V, Mazda 3, Mazda 6 CX-5, Subaru Forester, Outback, but check for oil leaks. If you're planning to use it for work like Uber Eats, a well-maintained Toyota or Honda is usually a safe bet. Let me know if you have a specific car in mind.